Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use sweep command, and previous lecture is a discuss here, and next lecture is a 2.2 guide curve. Sweep command is 2 guide curve is a discuss here. Okay, at first open a CATIA software, then okay, and this is a CATIA software interface, and today discuss here a sweep command is a 2 guide curve. At first drawing any sketching and then use a sweep command. Okay, this is a sketch. This is a XY plane is a sketch here, and use a some point is a discuss here. At first drawing a any spline is a command is a discuss here, and okay, this is a this point a 3-point arc starting with limit. Okay, and this line as a drawing here. Okay, and some mention any dimension, this point and this point any dimension. Okay, this point and this point is a 35. Okay, and also this point to this line is a distance between 35. Okay, and this center point and this distance is a okay 1 1 2. Okay, this is a correct. And exit again a plane is select a XY plane and drawing a again in spline. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, spline is not okay, and this is a 3-point arc starting with limit. Okay, this is a correct, and this is a drawing here, and this point is also mention dimension, this point to this point is a some distance is 32. Okay, and also this point to this line is a 32. Okay, correct. And this is a mention this line to this is a 120 1115 115. Okay, 115. This is a correct, and exit. Okay, and drawing this two line and drawing any XZ plane is discussed here. Some drawing this plane here. Okay, this plane is a drawing again 3-point arc starting with limit is drawing here, and this point to this and this. Okay, and some drag here and this point. Okay, and this point control this point a coincident. Okay, again this point to control this point is a coincident. Okay, this is a correct, and this plane is a hide with okay, you can see here you can see clear drawing. See here, some all plane is hide. Your convenience to help you clear. See here all perfect line drawing here and exit. Okay, and all plane is hide because you see clear and use a swept command. Okay, at first click a swept command, then all point is clear. So here swept surface definition is pop up, and with two guide curve is a select here, and at first drawing a all, first is profile, second is guide curve 1 and guide curve 2, anchoring point first, anchoring point second. At first drawing a, at first select a anchoring point first. Anchoring point first is this point, and anchoring point second is this point, and this profile is select here this profile, and guide curve first is this, and guide curve second is this. Okay, preview is showing here. Okay, and again, okay, you will try again. At first anchoring point first this point, and anchoring point second is this point. Okay, profile is select here this, and sketching point and guide curve is first and guide curve is second, and this is a preview is showing here. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a perfect drawing here, and some this line is a hide, and this line is also hide, and this line is also hide because all design is a this two guide curve is 2 with 2 reference point with 2 guide curve. A swept command is discussed here, and some material is used here. Okay, this and this body is a perfect. Okay, this body is a perfect, and okay, this is a perfect body. Okay, this is a perfect material is select here. This is a perfect material is a select here. This is a perfect. Okay. Okay, this is a perfect. To guide curve, a swept command is used and design is created here. This is a nice. Okay, this is a isometric view. This is a perfect, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, guide swept command lecture is some lecture is coming soon, also swept command lecture. Okay guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.